And now for something completely different.
Hello, Sunday, August 8, 2021, temperatures approximately 68 degrees. We are here in Big Falls, Minnesota at the Big Falls. Problem is, it's just big with no falls. You can come here most times to see the water, the falls actually, because people want to see the big water, just to see the falls with water, how it looks. We're in a drought, there is no water. As you see, this is normally covered. The 3 or 4 times I've been here before, there's been water tumbling over, you know, just maytagging everything. But here, there's no water. Now, one thing a lot of people seem to be aware of is that at one point in the old logging days, there was not a water flume that's kind of on the other side. It was all just falls, and with logging, there had to be enough water to come over the top and push all the logs down, which got kind of hairy. So what they decided to do, and I'm not sure if they did this with permission or not, but they blew out the side over here with explosives to create a flume on this side of the river, where then the logs could come down long lengthwise and still have water coming over the falls. That's where the water is coming from now, is the flume. So there is water down below. There's standing water up here, and that's it. So we thought we'd come before it starts to rain, whenever that is. But here we are. This is Big Falls, Minnesota. We will show you the rest of it. I know my mother's watching and saying, "Oh, that's dangerous." Well, no, not really, because there's no water. And if there is to be a flash flood, it'll be days off because there's no water, there's no rain. That's it. Look, there's dried moss, puddles. I don't see any dead fish. I do see remnants of artificially made holes for anchors, for possibly like foundations, or what do you call them? Some kind of bollard for supports, but I don't see anything else. But this is it. If you want to come and puddle around until there are actual waterfalls, this is the time to come. Have fun. See ya. Stay dry. Hello. I found the beach. Look at it. I mean, it's so sandy. If I were a bathing beauty in a polka dot bikini, this would be the place I would lay out. It is so sandy and usually underwater. So I think we're going to enjoy the falls, the dry falls, and just lounge in the sun.
I was down.
Dried hay and then dried moss. You can see with yellow tinted light, you can see some really vibrant green moss, I guess, below here. And if you have legs long enough, or you want to hold all this, it's about 6 to 8 feet at the narrowest part where I am, where the water sort of flows together. You cross these brought up that on there some time back. Down here is kind of a scrubby, dried mud beach. It's low until the drought is over, I guess. But if you have a chance to come out and look at it, because it might be a once in a lifetime thing, go for it. I think it's fascinating. And the rocks are amazing to look at as well. On the life of a riverbed.
Okay. I got it.